the U.S. Army has unveiled a concept image of the XM30 mechanized infantry combat vehicle. This next-generation vehicle is poised to replace the aging M2 Bradley. The XM30 represents a significant technological upgrade over its predecessor. Introduced in 1981, the M2 Bradley has been a key infantry fighting vehicle. Advances in warfare technology necessitated the development of a more advanced replacement. The XM30 is designed for reconnaissance, offering enhanced protection and firepower. It will accommodate 2 operators and 6 additional personnel. The vehicle features a 50mm cannon, a remote turret, and anti-tank guided missiles. It will incorporate advanced sensor and fire control systems. The concept image showcases a futuristic, well-protected chassis. General Dynamics Land Systems and American Rheinmetall vehicles are competing for the contract. The XM30's design is still in the prototype stage, with final details yet to be finalized. The vehicle is designed to enhance squad maneuverability and target engagement beyond enemy capabilities. This unveiling marks a significant step in modernizing the U.S. Army's mechanized infantry capabilities. The XM30 aims to set a new standard in mechanized infantry combat vehicles. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.